Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to these Wonsar Acrylic pens. These are marker pens with 12 colors and they're waterproof. It's an acrylic pen set for example, stone painting or nearly all other materials you can give them a nice coloring. Oh yeah. This acrylic paint pans for kids and adults comes for us for the next awesome DIY projects. For example, you can paint ceramic glass, porcelain, metal, plastic, wood, and of course canvas too. It's really versatile to use. The standard tip of the pen is round. We can pull it out and replace it with the other end of the tip. The other head of the tip can meet our needs for drawing thin lines. This pack contains 12 colors: blue, yellow, gold, green, light green, purple, orange, of course pink, red and black, silver and white. And it's for all age groups. No painting skills are required to use these acrylic paints. Children or adults learn to paint their own stuff. The acrylic pens can stimulate the imagination of each individual and develop creative skills. These pens meet the requirements 100% and brings more fun to our life. And it comes to us easily and it can be used on the most surfaces. These acrylic pens for painting stones, glass, coffee cups, glasses, wood, windows too, fabrics, plastics, ceramic, Halloween paintings, clothes too, and other DIY personalities crafts. We find some stones to paint, we use our imagination and create a masterpiece. This is a great way to spend time with our children and learn new things together. It's waterproof, but it is not dishwasher proof. Okay, this waterproof acrylic pens contains water-based ink. They are quick drying and resistant to the sun. If we write on a smooth surface like a cap and then we put the cap in the water without washing, the colors will be preserved. Okay, we do not use it in dishwasher, otherwise the color will fade a little bit, so take care a little bit of it. More and more people are relaxing in painting. We can enjoy more time together with our children. In addition to the artistic value, it conveys the serenity, concentration, and patience. We find some stones to paint. We start our journey with the Wonsar Acrylic pens. They are available in 3 different shapes: 0.7mm, 3mm, and 6mm. And you can see here the big version of it, and I have the small version too. But this is sold separately, okay? So we have a really good set with 12 classic colors: blue, yellow, gold, green, light green, purple, orange, pink, red, black, silver, and white. And this is suitable for artists, for art students, children, teenagers, and adults. For everyone it is. Excellent for crafting or creating artwork on almost all surfaces, such as stone, porcelain, ceramic, canvas, paper, wood, fabric, glass, chalkboard, metal, shoes, etc. And reversible nibs to draw in different lines. Okay, the standard tip of the pen is round. We can pull it out and replace it with the other end of the tip. That's really easy. The other head of the tip can meet our needs to drawing thin lines. The other is for bigger lines. And more ink means more durable. It contains 8 grams of liquid. That means we have a longer surface life than the competitors on the market. Water-based ink is good, durable, waterproof, and quick drying. The Pang ink does not bleed, and it works on really nearly all the most surfaces out there. Excellent for crafting or making artworks on virtually all surfaces such as stone, porcelain, ceramics, canvas, paper, wood, fabric, glass, chalkboard glass, metal, plastic, shoes, and so on. It's a great gift for our creation. It's a nice gift for birthday, Valentine's Day, anniversary, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, or special holiday decoration. And we put on the lid and shake the pans a few minutes. We press the tip gently on and off so that the tip can fill slowly with ink. We use the pans to create our art. We remember to put the lid back on after use so that the ink does not dry out. And children should be responsible by an adult at any time because it's not good if they're drinking the liquid, for example, okay? We have here a really good offer with all nice colors we prefer. I think it's a good thing to look awesome, to look beautiful, creative DIY projects. This is acrylic paint pans. This uses rich, vibrant, water-based ink that dries quickly to produce a very durable opaque and gloss finish on light and dark surfaces. We enjoy an elegant and friendly user design on creating art projects and objects on a variety of surfaces. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.